Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put image anywhere in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my document in my Google Docs. And first thing first, I'm going to insert an image to this document. I'm going to click on insert and I'm going to click on image. Then I'm going to select upload from computer. Okay, for instance, I'm going to add this image to my document. Alright, and now the image has been added. And as you can see, guys, I'm not able to move it anywhere. It's really hard to move it. And I'm going to show you how we can put this image anywhere in Google Docs. You can click on the image. You can right click on it and click on image option. And you have to choose text wrapping. Okay, and you can select in front of the text and you will be able to move it anywhere as you like. You can put it anywhere in front of the text as well, like this. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to put image anywhere in Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.